In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name on Pinterest. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Pinterest app and then go to your profile page. As you can see, that is my name on Pinterest, and now let me show you how I can easily change that name. To do that, I'll hit at these three dots and then select Settings. On Settings, I'll tap at Public Profile, and then towards the top of that list I can find that name option. I can just tap on it, and then I can remove the entire existing name, and I can now put in here whatever I want. Once you've done with that, to save the changes, just don't forget to hit at Done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.